In the fast-paced world of real estate, time is your most valuable asset. Every minute spent on administrative tasks is a minute you could be closing deals and building relationships. That's where the Real Estate Virtual Assistant, or VA, comes in. A real estate VA is your secret weapon, a skilled professional who handles a wide range of tasks remotely, allowing you to focus on what you do best. Think of your real estate VA as an extension of your team, a dedicated partner committed to your success. They are the behind-the-scenes organizers, tech wizards, and creative minds that keep your business running smoothly. From managing your schedule to creating stunning marketing materials, a skilled VA can handle it all. The beauty of working with a VA lies in their versatility. They can adapt to your specific needs, whether you're a seasoned agent with a large portfolio or just starting out. With a VA by your side, you can confidently navigate the ever-evolving real estate market and achieve your business goals. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on mastering real estate. And be sure to watch our other videos for more insights and strategies. Let's face it, paperwork and scheduling can bog down even the most enthusiastic real estate professional. But with a skilled VA managing your administrative tasks, you can reclaim your time and focus on what truly matters, your clients. Your VA becomes the guardian of your calendar, scheduling appointments, coordinating showings, and ensuring you never miss a beat. They handle email correspondence, answer client inquiries, and keep your communication flowing seamlessly. Need help with data entry, managing your CRM, or preparing presentations? Your VA has you covered. Transaction coordination is another area where VAs excel. They can gather necessary documents, communicate with all parties involved, and ensure a smooth closing process. By streamlining these administrative tasks, your VA frees you up to focus on building relationships, negotiating deals, and growing your business. In today's digital age, a strong online presence is non-negotiable for real estate success. Your VA acts as your tech-savvy partner, managing your website, social media accounts, and online listings with expertise. They keep your website up to date, ensuring it showcases your listings beautifully and provides valuable information for potential clients. They craft engaging social media content, run targeted ad campaigns, and interact with your followers, building a strong online community around your brand. Your VA also becomes your lead generation guru, utilizing online tools and strategies to attract potential clients. They can manage your email marketing campaigns, track website analytics, and provide you with valuable insights to optimize your online presence. With their finger on the pulse of the digital world, your VA ensures you stay ahead of the curve and reach your target audience effectively. In a competitive market, it's crucial to stand out from the crowd. Your VA brings creative flair to your business, developing engaging content that captures attention and resonates with potential clients. They can craft compelling property descriptions that highlight the unique features of each listing. They can create stunning visuals, from professional photographs to virtual tours, that showcase your properties in the best possible light. They can even produce high-quality videos that offer virtual walkthroughs, client testimonials, and market updates. Beyond marketing materials, your VA can help you elevate your client communication. They can design personalized brochures, create eye-catching email templates, and even develop thoughtful closing gifts that leave a lasting impression. By infusing your brand with creativity and professionalism, your VA helps you build a memorable and impactful presence in the market. Section 5. Setting the stage for success. Onboarding your real estate virtual assistant. Bringing a virtual assistant on board is an investment in your business's future. To ensure a smooth and successful partnership, a well-structured onboarding process is key. Start by clearly defining your expectations, outlining your business goals, and identifying the specific tasks you want your virtual assistant to handle. Provide your virtual assistant with comprehensive training materials, including access to your systems, brand guidelines, and preferred communication channels. Schedule regular check-in meetings, especially during the initial weeks, to answer questions, provide feedback, and address any concerns. Open and transparent communication is crucial for a successful virtual assistant-client relationship. Establish clear lines of communication, be responsive to their questions, and provide constructive feedback. Remember, your virtual assistant is an extension of your team and their success is directly tied to your own. Section 6. A day in the life, daily, weekly, and monthly tasks for peak performance. A well-organized virtual assistant structures their day to maximize efficiency and productivity. Daily tasks might include managing your email inbox, responding to client inquiries, scheduling appointments, and updating your social media accounts. Weekly tasks could involve creating and sending out your email newsletter, researching market trends, preparing property listing presentations, and coordinating with vendors for upcoming open houses. Monthly tasks might include generating reports on your website traffic and social media engagement, reconciling expenses, and reviewing your overall business goals and progress. By establishing a clear framework for daily, weekly, and monthly tasks, your virtual assistant ensures that everything runs smoothly and nothing falls through the cracks. Section 7. The Virtual Assistant Toolkit. Essential software and tools for efficiency. To excel in their role, your virtual assistant needs access to the right tools and software. A robust CRM system is essential for managing client information, tracking leads, and automating communication. Project management tools such as Asana or Trello help keep tasks organized and on track. Social media management platforms like Hootsuite or Buffer allow your virtual assistant to schedule posts, monitor engagement, and manage multiple accounts efficiently. Design software such as Canva or Adobe Spark empowers them to create visually appealing marketing materials. Other valuable tools include virtual meeting platforms like Zoom or Google Meet, e-signature services like DocuSign, and cloud storage solutions like Dropbox or Google Drive. By equipping your virtual assistant with these essential tools, you empower them to work efficiently and effectively. Section 8. Skills for Success. Qualities of a top-notch real estate virtual assistant. When choosing a real estate virtual assistant, look for a combination of hard and soft skills. Technical proficiency is crucial, including expertise in CRM software, social media platforms, and design tools. Strong organizational skills, attention to detail, and the ability to manage multiple tasks simultaneously are also essential. Excellent communication skills are paramount, both written and verbal. Your virtual assistant should be able to communicate clearly and professionally with clients, vendors, and other members of your team. A proactive and resourceful attitude is also highly valuable, as is the ability to work independently and take initiative. Finally, seek out a virtual assistant who is passionate about real estate and genuinely invested in your success. A virtual assistant who understands the industry and is eager to learn and grow alongside your business will be an invaluable asset to your team. Section 9. The Winning Formula. Benefits of hiring a real estate virtual assistant. Hiring a real estate virtual assistant offers a multitude of benefits for your business. By delegating administrative tasks, you free up valuable time to focus on income-generating activities, such as building client relationships and closing deals. This increased efficiency translates into greater productivity and ultimately, higher revenue. A skilled virtual assistant can also help you expand your reach, generate more leads, and enhance your online presence, leading to increased brand awareness and market share. Beyond the financial benefits, a virtual assistant can significantly reduce your stress levels. By taking on the day-to-day tasks that often lead to burnout, your virtual assistant allows you to achieve a healthier work-life balance and focus on what you do best. With a reliable and efficient virtual assistant by your side, you can confidently navigate the challenges of the real estate market and achieve your business goals with greater ease and success.